She was a TV star at the age of 10, in hit movies by 11. At 18, Lindsay Lohan was a household name. But by 21, it was arrests and court battles, fights and rehab making the headlines. A spiral of scandal that means at 26, she faces serious prison time. When her Porsche hit a truck on the Pacific Coast Highway in June, police say she lied about who was driving. More serious for her, she was already on probation at the time.
She's not going to get a slap on the wrist and sent to jail for a couple days. She's going to be there for a long time.
Those in the Lindsay Lohan news industry say this is her lowest point yet, and that she's run out of excuses.
When Lindsay Lohan first got in trouble, I would say that the way that it was covered could have caused some of her problems. But at a point, you got to say, take some responsibility. Lindsay Lohan is an adult. She has been famous for a number of years. You can't at a point blame the media or blame her parents, which a lot of people do, or blame her upbringing, or blame her the movies she was on, her ex-boyfriends. You can't blame all these people after all this time.
You say, Lindsay, do this, you know.
And those who guide child stars in Hollywood say her life has become a cautionary tale.
Lindsay Lohan was wanted by producers and directors, and now she's wanted by the law. And the greatest tragedy of this, the biggest tragedy of all, is that Lindsay Lohan is so uber talented, unbelievably off the charts talented, that she made the transition, which is difficult, from child star to teen star to meaningful movie star. And she can't sustain it because she doesn't have those skills.
When Lindsay Lohan tried to settle down on the California coast, she was driven out by angry neighbors and the paparazzi. There's not much sympathy, even now.
She's become such a joke that I don't think anyone should pay attention.
I mean, she's just something entertaining to read in the tabloids, you know. When you're standing at a line at like Safeway or Target, she's just something to look at and laugh at a little bit.
Those gossip magazines have new favourites for now, but the Lindsay Lohan story never goes away. And this is the darkest moment yet in a movie star's real-life drama. Greg Milam, Sky News, Los Angeles.